done from a very rainy day in Ljubljana.
Today we led a group workshop at ameriške. Because this automobile service company gets a lot of German clients, LanguageSitter organized a workshop focused on teaching German phrases and words related to automobiles and assisting clients with vehicle troubles.
Ich bin auf der Autobahn A2 und ich fahre Richtung Jesenice.
After successfully completing the workshop, we returned to the office for a recycle meeting.
Then after 1 year, they visited the same group of buyers and they realized that 33% of these people bought the product or the service somewhere else.
What's a recycle meeting?
It's when someone in the company went and learned some material, but we didn't all attend, so they come back and teach the rest of us. Thank you so much for joining me at my first week at LanguageSitter. Have a wonderful weekend and we'll see you next week. Do svidanje!